Volunteers are wanted here in Western Mass to be part of an international study on how the coronavirus is changing people's physical and mental health. The Springfield College Department of Exercise Science has joined the researcher team, hoping what they learn now can help us be better prepared if a second wave hits. Western Mass News reporter Sabrina Riley has more on how you can help.
This is such an unprecedented time. There's no sort of former evidence for us to go off.
Jasmine Hutchinson is a professor of exercise science at Springfield College. And with her extra time while not on campus, she's helping conduct a survey to study how the coronavirus has impacted physical health.
I'm really expecting to see that some people may be less active because now they are, juggling multiple roles and they're doing a lot of their work sitting in front of a screen. But then on the flip side, I think a lot of people suddenly have more free time and I may be taking advantage of that.
A few weeks ago, a friend of hers reached out to see if Springfield College would be interested in taking part in this international study.
I was contacted by a collaborator of mine who I've worked with for a number of years at Brunel University in London, and so he's sort of spearheading the whole thing and setting up the UK survey and asked if we would take on the US version of the survey. So we were super excited to get involved.
In addition to the US and UK, countries like France and Australia are also participating.
I think we're going to really see a big difference in different sections of society.
They tell Western Mass News their goal is to cast a wide net and get as many participants as possible.
Oftentimes people who respond to these studies are people who are physically active. And so we really want to capture people who are not, people who may be struggling, all different socioeconomic groups. We really want to capture the full American experience about living through this. Might enable us to look forward if this does become recurrent, which we hope it doesn't, to how best support people and make sure that people are staying as healthy as they possibly can.
But there are a few things you should know before signing up.
The survey is restricted to people who are 18 years and older, able to answer questions in English, and are residing in the US. It's a fairly straightforward, it's a one-off survey, and it should take no more than about 20 minutes to complete the survey. It asks a lot of things about sort of demographics, where you live, what you do for a living, things like that. And then, it asks about your physical activity habits and your psychological well-being prior to the COVID-19 pandemic and then now currently.
And if you'd like to participate in the study, you can find a link to it on our website, westernmassnews.com. For Western Mass News, I'm Sabrina Riley.